Hello guys and welcome back on the channel. Today I have found a new high win rate strategy, the only stochastic RSI strategy by Poortrade. This strategy is very simple to follow. There are only 2 rules and it can be really profitable. But there is a problem, it only backtest it on like 10 trades, and as I said in many videos, they are not enough to say if a strategy is profitable or not. But don't worry, today I'm going to backtest it for you and telling you if it's really profitable or not. But before we start, I remember you that if you want to know more about my software, you want to backtest your strategy, or you want more info about it, write me the mail that I will leave in the description. But let's not waste any time and let's talk about this strategy. I'm going to backtest it on the stock symbols and on the 30-minute time frame. So let's watch together some examples so you can understand why I'm telling you it's so simple to follow. So first of all, you have to plot on your chart 2 indicators. The first one is EMA. I use this one because we will need 2 EMAs, so this one, and you will select only this one and this one, the EMA 50 and the EMA 100. Then you will have to plot on your chart the stochastic RSI. So you go here and you search for stochastic RSI, this one. You have not to change nothing in these parameters, they are the default one, and you have basically done all the work, because now it's very simple to open a position. So you will have to check for only 2 conditions. So the first one is to check that the EMA 50 is above EMA 100 and they are increasing, and as you can see here it happens. The next condition is to check that the blue lines goes above the red line below the 20 level. So there must be a cross and it must happen above the 20 level, and as you can see it happens. Then you can open your position at the next candle open, and you will set your stop loss to the EMA 50. Decided to choose between EMA 50 or last swing low, but I found that EMA 50 would have been more suitable for this strategy. And you will set your stop, your take profit to the last swing high, and as you can see it was on this candle. So you will open your position here, and as you can see here it would have been closed here and it would have been a success. So very good result. Let's see another trade. So here, so you can see EMA 50 above EMA 100, they are increasing. There is a bullish cross in the stochastic. You can open your position at the next candle open, setting your stop loss to the EMA 50 and your take profit to the last swing high. Notice that there is not a specific risk to reward ratio on this strategy. In this case it was 0.71 and here was 0.28. So there's not a fixed risk to reward ratio. And then let's see a short trade. So it was here. So as you can see, there were a bearish cross in the stochastic RSI and it happens above the level 80. So blue line goes above the red line and now the blue line is below 80. Then you can see that EMA 50 is below EMA 100 and they are decreasing. So you can open your short position, and in this case it would have been a such theoretically. But I'm exiting my position at market close because I want to leave it open, because I think it's more it's important to close it at the market close, because in the post market the price can change a lot and you can lose some money if you cannot close it. So I choose to exit at the market close. So as you can see, this case was a small fail, but this strategy seems to have a high potential. Let's see how it performs over the entire dataset. And as you can see, the number talks. It would have been profitable with an average success rate of 53. But there is a problem. It's not statistically profitable. And also the number of trades is very low. That's not good. It will be hard to make a statistical analysis on it. But I will not give up, as always. I will do it anyway. And for this video, I will try to make as much profitable as I can. I don't care. I will make it as much profitable as I can. And what I have found? I have found, first of all, that if you have only taken the sell orders, the average success rate would have been 60%. That's very good, and it's pretty different from the buy average success rate. But the dataset is very small, so you can't say that there is a big difference because basically there are too few traits. But for today's video, I decided to use RSI 14 to improve the strategy, and I found out something incredible. If you have taken only positions, long position, with RSI 14 and the last candle above 75, the new average success rate would have been 80%. That's incredible. An high average success rate. And for short positions, if you have checked for RSI 14 to be below 25 in the last candle, the new average success rate would have been 86%. That's incredible. Incredible result by this strategy. But wait, because the number of trades can be really low, so it can happen that it will not be so good. Let's see how it performs. Let's run again the strategy and let's see how it performs. I have already added the conditions, so this one and this one. Okay, here you can see all the code. Okay, if you want to check it. But now let's see how it performed. So it's already run all the strategy, and as you can see, 82 as average success rate. But look at the balance. It's almost, it would have gained only $10. That's not good. That's not good. $10 on like 3 years of data. There must be something wrong. It's not wrong because the number of orders generated is very low, first of all, and the second thing is that probably in this strategy you can risk more than 1% of your starting account because the stop loss is very big. So probably risking more could have been better. Probably yes. And maybe you can risk more than 1%. Yeah. But there is a problem. The number of trades is very low. And also, as you can see, it's not statistically profitable. As you can see, our confidence interval goes from 21 to 143%. So that's not good at all. This strategy, this confidence interval basically tells us that it can be every average success rate. And also the Gaussian distribution, it's not the correct distribution when you have such a low number of trades. And yeah, it's not important, a significant result. But yeah, it has a high average success rate. I backtested it, the trades are correct. But the problem is that the number of trades is very low. And you mustn't take trades when you have backtested it on such a low number of trades. Then do what you want. I'm not telling you to do it or not to do it. Do what you want because I'm not a financial advisor, and these are not financial advisors. But I will say it at the end of the video. But for the purpose of the video, let's run anyway the strategy on the test dataset. So let's go here and change the dataset to test. It's already test. This one was train, sorry. Let's run again the strategy and let's see how it performs. Okay, as you can see, here are the results on the train dataset. On the test dataset, sorry. As you can see, that's not good. You would have lost not so much money by risking always 1% of your starting account, but that's it's what you would have lost on over 1 year. Probably not one of the best strategies on the channel, surely. It seems to have an higher average success rate here, but then when you run it on the trend on the test data set, you can clearly see that it's not as good as it seems. And again, and the average success rate is in the confidence interval of the Gaussian distribution. But I say that again, with such a low number of traits, Gaussian distribution is not the correct one, but that's it. So definitely not a good trading strategy by using these rules, because maybe by using for example the last swing low as stop loss, as I said in this video, maybe it would have performed better. I don't know. Today I tried it with these settings. So I remember you that I'm not a financial advisor, and these are not financial advices. I'm not telling you to use this strategy. Trading is very dangerous, and the strategy may not perform well in the future like it did in the past. Pay attention. But if you enjoyed this content, I remember you to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!